It doesn't matter if your space is tiny, if it's big, if it's on a balcony, if it's in a small backyard, if it's in your front yard, your side yard, on a big farm, it doesn't matter. If you want to maximize your space, then companion planting is the way to go.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Now, how to maximize your space by a way of companion planting. So companion planting is growing plants together with the idea of them enhancing each other's growth.
Companion planting can be as simple as growing flowers near to your vegetables to attract pollinators.
Companion planting is a great way to use up the space in your garden efficiently.
Now the benefits of companion planting, by selecting the right companion, the plant growth will be boosted. Things like deterring pests, fixing nitrogen, attracting beneficial insects, and even enhancing flavors. Companion planting in some cases provides shelters, like the larger plants protect the smaller ones from wind or from the sun, and companion planting in some cases gives support because some vegetables can be used as physical support for others. And like I said, you are able to use up the space more efficiently. If you're not sure what plants to grow together, it's simple. Check it out on Google. That's how I started out. You could search for what is companion planting, example, what vegetables should not be planted to each other, what vegetables can be planted next to each other. It's as simple as that. You can always do your own research. For me, I've done so many researches, and in gardening, guys, it's all about experimenting. So you can do your own experiments as well. You become a better gardener doing your own experiments. Be careful though when you're companion planting, because what happens if many plants grow together in one place? Nutrients deficiency will be the result. Because think about it, if the plants are overcrowded, that means they will compete with each other for nutrients from the soil. But as a result of that though, you can increase whatever amount of fertilizer you use as they grow. Because some plants are heavy feeders, so the more they grow, the more nutrients you will have to apply. So in a case where there are a lot of plants growing, for example in my garden, for the heavy feeders, instead of giving them my liquid organic fertilizer that I make from my kitchen waste, instead of giving them every other week, I will give them every week. So you can find ways and means, of improving the nutrients that your plants are getting if you are companion planting and your space is as compact as mine. Of course, the more plants in a small space, the more quickly they'll use up the nutrients in the soil.
Are plants happier with other plants? Yes, they love good vibes, just the way we do.
It's like creating a plant community with companion planting, where each plants have mutual benefits to each other, creating a natural balance. There are some companion planting charts available online. You can check out some of those. What I normally do to search on Google, I just put, for example, lettuce companion plants, and then a list of them come up, and then they tell you the benefits of each of those plants to the lettuce. And based on what you read, you can decide which one you really need. So if you had troubles like, with pests eating away your leaves, you can just look for one that will repel pests. Use up Google, guys.
My garden is a living testimony where companion planting is concerned, and I do get good results.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it Come on, hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born I'm in a transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run.
Really and truly, I plant compact. But what I do is ensure that I give my plants the nutrients they need to thrive and to produce for me. And that's all there is to it. Just feed your babies.
The land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born I'm in a transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. A man will live on a banana boat and him a gone over abroad because him say everywhere better than he have. But when him touch certain countries, see this system a fraud, him have to run back a jam down and give it its reward. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a sweet place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Yes, I'm a born, yes, I'm a come from. Yes, I'm a live, I am intent for tan. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run.
Give me a thumbs up if this video was useful to you. Share with others. And thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.